In this video, we will talk about Java 1.5 version, 1.5 version features. So, what are all the new concepts which came in 1.5, which is not there in previous versions of Java? How these concepts are going to be useful for programmers? Like that, we have around some 10 topics are there. Let me talk about those topics at a very top level. Okay. So in these, the first feature what we have here is generics. Okay, generics. The second feature which is introduced here is enhanced for. So in Java 1.5 version, there is one new concept named with enhanced for. Enhanced for. Then the third topic, autoboxing and auto unboxing. Then fourth feature, we have enumeration. I think this one already we covered in our regular classes, that is Enum. Okay. So after this, the next feature what we have here is Vararg methods, variable number of arguments method. Next, sir, one more concept, static import. So next, annotations. Sir, after this, scanner class. Okay. So after this, the next topic what we have is, sir, string builder. So next and after that, we have formatter class is there. Formatter class. So next we have printf method. Printf method is there. So next, queue interface. Even in the collections I cover, when queue is introduced in 1.5 version, so next and after that, covariant return types. So these are nothing but 13 features. Of course, still there are so many enhancements are there. Those are theoretical related. Okay. So these are 13 features which are going to be very helpful for day-to-day programming, especially for Java developers. Clear, friends? Please come. Clear?
Clear. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me start one by one topic. First topic, generic. Sir, anyone tell me what is mean by generics? I think majority of you people know. Tell me what is generics? What is mean by generics? So I will take one Java program. Okay, I will take one simple Java program. Class a test. Okay, class a test. Delay. So let us take one simple Java program. Sir, I am saving this file as, okay, I am saving this file as test.java. Okay, fine. I want to create one array list object. Sir, tell me array list object present in which package?
Util package.
YouTube. So import java.util.star and take. So my intention is to create one array list object. Array list is equal to, so new array list like this, I'm creating one array list object. So after this, into this list, so I'm adding Prakash. Into this list, I'm adding Kalyan. Like I added two names. After that, I want to print this list. I want to print this list. So first I will shift to Java 5. Now if you check the version of Java 1.5, we got the path for 1.5. From now onwards, if we are compiling any Java program, it will be compiled with respect to 1.5 version. Now observe carefully. Java C space test.java is the program is going to be compiled. Yes. Now I'm running this. So what is the result we have? Prakash and Kalyan. And please observe this warning message also. No worries. Okay. So this program, I hope we have a clear clarity. We have a clear clarity. Sir, in this program, am I using any generics means? No, no. That's why what is the title I'm giving is, sir, without generics. So this is nothing but one example program where I'm not using any generics concept. Sir, what is the problem with this program? What is the problem with this program? Suppose I want to get only one element from this. Only one element. Sir, how you can take? How you can take? Like, sir, what type of objects are there in list? Anyone? What type of objects are there in list?
String.
String. So destination type is also what? String. String S is equal to list dot get of 0. Now system dot out dot println of. So let me print good evening. So followed by that name I want to convert into which case? Uppercase. This is my requirement. Sir, is there any problem in the program? Please confirm.
No, sir.
Now let's compile this code. Sir, is the program is compiling? No. Sir, what is the error message that we have? Have you observed? Incompatible types. Sir, required is, we know it is a string type. But found, what type of data is there in the list?
Object.
Yes, please. Object. Sir, I am storing string, but still it is taking in which format? Object format only. That means, sir, before generics concept, okay, uh, collections stores the data in the form of objects. So if we want to fetch those objects to the respective types, then what we need to do? Typecasting must require. Sir, how you are going to do the typecasting now? Observe carefully. Sir, list.get is returning an object. Can you please typecast to string? Like that I am asking. Now observe. Is the program is going to compile? Yes. Let's run the code. Everyone, please confirm. Is the required result we are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you observe what is the problem that we are facing here. Please. So here the biggest problem is nothing but the main disadvantage. The main disadvantage is typecasting, or I can say type safety. Sir, is there any guarantee for the type? No. We are not giving the guarantee for the type. Sir, understood everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, what these generics are going to do? Sir, generic allows only specified type of specified type of objects into the collection. So how you can take only specified type? Let us reconvert this example into with generics. See, in the program, one small modification I am doing. What is that modification is? Sir, array list is there, right? After that, within angular brackets, I am taking string. Sir, here also I am giving string. Okay. Now, what is the meaning? My array list is going to store what type of values? Please confirm.
String values.
String values. So, explicitly, it is not going to convert it into object format. It is in which format? String format only. Now, is it required to perform typecasting? Anyone tell me, please? Is it required to perform typecasting?
No, sir. No.
Not required. So, without this also we will get. Now, let us remove this to uppercase method just to see the difference, or we will go. Now, observe. I am trying to compile the code and I am trying to run. Sir, it is working. Previously, without the typecasting, this program is not working. Now, sir, without typecasting, happily we can do. How we are doing this? With the help of which concept? Generics. Okay. Any doubts? So the final conclusion is generics is going to allow you to provide what type of data your collection is going to store in advance. Clear, friends? Please confirm so that I will move to the next topic.
Clear, sir.
Right. Yeah, weekend batch students are there. Anyone confirm? Morning 7 a.m. weekend.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Java 7:30 p.m. batch students. Yes. Java 9 p.m. students. Right. So now this is about generics, what we have. So what is the next concept here is enhanced formula. Enhanced formula. So what is mean by this enhanced formula? I think already we covered this in our regular class only. First, I will take the example program. Consider I have integer marks is there. Marks is an array. So where some 4 subjects or 5 subject marks are there with a student related marks are there with. Okay, like this. Now I want to get these marks one by one. How we can get that? Sir, generally we have to create one index value which always starts from 0 and I less than that array dot length. So after that I plus plus, that is index plus plus, and you have to access that marks. Like this, we have to access each and every element present in the array. So this much lengthy code we are not required to write it in enhanced form. That is nothing but there is one concept named with for each loop. For each loop. So what is a for each loop? Sir, for each integer m from marks, what we are doing? System dot out dot print of sir marks. Sir, how you can print? It is there in m. Now, sir, we have one marks array is there with some 5 elements. First time this element it will access. Second time it will access this element. Third time one element. Fourth time one element. Fifth time one element. Sir, how they are fetching one by one? Internally, we are using index concept only. Internally, we are using index concept only. Okay, but one by one object we can fetch by using this beautiful for each loop. Before 1.5 version of Java, we don't have this feature. Before 1.5 version of Java, we don't have this feature. So recently it is introduced in 1.5. Of course, this is an old concept only. Let me check, is it printing all these out? If you want to calculate a total marks, how you can calculate? Integer, I'm taking total marks. Initially, total marks is 0. So total marks is equal to, okay, cumulative total marks, which is already there in that variable, plus m. And at the end, you can print a message saying the total marks obtained is nothing but where it is there, total marks where. Now observe, same program, just total calculated and it is. This is the way how we can use for each loop, and it is also called as what? Enhanced for. Okay, let me add some point. Sir, enhanced for loop is also called as for each loop. So it is used to fetch. It is used to fetch the objects one by one from an array or from collection. From this, it is going to fetch one by one. Sir, you can't use this for integer objects. You can't use this for any other objects. You can use only for arrays and collections. Clear, everyone?
It's just 2, 3 elements we want to fetch, then can we use enhance for?
Not required. See, if you have a limited resource, then no need for each. Even in this case also, we have 2 elements, 3 elements. Index is the best choice, right?
Okay, sir.
Clear, friends, everyone? Please confirm so that I can go for next. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the next third topic, what we have here is auto boxing and auto unboxing. Auto boxing and auto unboxing. Sir, you have to tell, because in the wrapper classes I already covered what is mean by auto boxing and auto unboxing. Anyone tell me what is mean by auto boxing? What is mean by auto boxing? See, while writing the program, if you have integer a is equal to 10, now integer, sir, b is equal to, can I take a? Please confirm, can I take like this? Can I take like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. A is what type?
Int.
Primitive type. B is what type? Object. Is it possible to do this kind of conversion? No, right? So, what is this case? Can I say primitive to which type? Wrapper object. Sir, have you remembered somewhere value of method we are using? Do you remember, sir? And similarly, suppose if I have some integer object is there. Let us consider integer x is equal to new integer of some type. I want to convert this into B. Sir, what is in here? What we are doing? Wrapper object into which type? Primitive type. Sir, how you can do that? Sir, have you remembered? Parse x method is explicitly we have to use these methods for converting primitive to object and object to primitive. Sir, up to which version? 1.4. In 1.5, you are not required to use these methods. In 1.5, you are not required to use this. Sir, automatically, happily it is going to convert. That is called as autoboxing. Autoboxing means what? Automatic. Automatic conversion from which type? Primitive to wrapper objects. Sir, auto unboxing means what? Automatic conversion from wrapper object to primitive. This one is going to be happen automatically. We are not required to do it explicitly. So if you are clear up to this, I will take one example program for you to understand.
Clear.
Let's take one example program. Listen carefully. I am taking integer a is equal to 10. So integer b is equal to I am taking here. Sir, what is this one? Auto box. Of course, we can print. You will get the values also. System.out.println a, system.out.println b. 10, then 10. So this is called as what? Auto. Can I go for auto unboxing?
Yes, sir.
So what is auto unboxing? Reverse process. Reverse process. So what I am doing here is, let us take some I will do integer b is equal to, or integer c is equal to. Can I take b like this? Yes. So what is this one? Can I say it is auto unboxing? Sir, how? Because b is what type? Object type. B is what type? Object type. We are converting into which type? Primitive type. This is called as what? Auto unboxing. Even if you print a C also, actually I don't have 1.4 version. So if I have 1.4 version, I can able to show you the error message what we are going to get. Sir, clear? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes. Yes.
Any questions? Are you clear with auto boxing and auto unboxing? Let's copy paste this for documentation purpose. So that's all about auto boxing and auto unboxing. So what is the next feature that we have in 1.5 is enum, enumeration. So what is this enum? What is this enum? Very simple. Actually, this enum concept is introduced in old versions of programming languages. Like if you say the C language, even in C++. So this enum concept is there. Even in the beginning of Java versions also, enum concept is there. But later, so already to collect constant values as a group, So we have so many new concepts are there in Java. Why again a separate concept is required? Like that, with Java people got several questions from worldwide programmers. Then in the next version of Java, that is 1.2 or 1.3, they removed this enum concept. Sir, again, they kept this concept in 1.5. The reason is, sir, enum is not only not only named collections, even it is providing so many services. Like it will act something like a class. It will act something like a class. Of course, already I covered enum in our core Java sessions, right? So let me add one point. Enum is a special data type used to define named constant values. So I don't want to go in detail. Directly I will take one example program. So here let us assume I'm defining one enum. Outside of the class only I'm taking enum. What is the name of the enum is day. Sir, how many days we have? That I'm defining. Sir, Monday. Okay. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like this, just some days I define. Dates. Now I want to access these 7 days. No problem. You can directly take day D is equal to. Okay. Sir, day D is equal. Which day? Sir, how I can assign? In day enumeration, suppose assume I want to make it as 1. That's all. Sir, this is a valid constant. Already you define. Now I want to print that value. Sir, system.out.ln. Sir, today is. Let me print that today. Today is. Sir, if I am trying to take other than this, let me put some other ways. Sir, is that value is there? No. Have you observed? Cannot find a symbol variable 1. Like that, you have to define some constants in advance. Those constants you can use in your program. This is called as what? Enumeration button. That is enum concept. So we can use this enum to represent the colors. Okay, to represent the grades like excellent, good, average. So in statistical reports, we will use this. There are so many application areas are there where we are using. Do you know? Even in switch case also, they you can use that enums. Anyway, if time permits, I will take one more example. Sir, clear friends up to this?
Yes, sir.
Monday, Tuesday, these are strings.
No. These are constant names. If it is a string, I will enclose within double quotes for it. Am I doing any such type of activity here?
No.
Then it is not a string. See, it
Then,
represents some constant.
okay.
Suppose, see, I have some 5 friends are there with me. So I want to allow into my house only those 5 members. Then what I have to do? That person has to register with my family. Then if they are coming happily, my family members are going to accept. Are you getting my point? If any unknown person is coming, then they won't accept. So if you want to use any constant value frequently in your program, you can define those constants. It is a named constant. These are the days, right? I can take month names. So I can take colors. I can take branches in engineering college, subjects in so and so group, like that. Getting point?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for one more example with respect to switch case?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. let's take another example. It is something related to the switch case. See, I want to define an enum named with the grade. Grade. Sir, generally, if you observe, only 4 grades I am taking, A, B, C, D. So here I will take, so grade G is equal to grade dot, assume C grade I am giving. Sir, in switch case, you can pass that grade G and you can write some case. Suppose if the grade is A, so I am trying to print the message saying excellent, followed by print. Suppose if I am giving the grade B, I will print a message saying very good. So if the grade is C, I will print good, good. Sir, if the grade is D, I will print need improvement. Like this, just some messages are there. What about the case constant values B, C, and then D? Sir, these are not characters. These are not variables. These are not strings. These are nothing but what? Enumeration constants, enum values. Okay. So now, what is the expected output for this? Anyone tell me?
Good.
Clear?
Yes.
Is it working? Sir, any doubt about how enumeration, I mean enum constants are working? Clear? Yes, everyone, please confirm.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Now, so the next new feature, what we have here is where are the methods? Where are the methods? So what is mean by where are the method? Sir, generally, a method can take how many arguments? Any number of arguments you can pass. But in the prototype, compulsory, those data types you have to enclose. Otherwise, is it going to accept? No. Then what is this where arg method? It is a special method which is introduced in 1.5 version of Java. So it is a special method which can take any number of arguments. Any number of arguments. Sir, how it is going to take? And where arg method, we can declare where arg method. Sir, it is declared with 3 dots. How to declare this one? You have to take 3 dots. Means, assume I am taking some method. I want to take integer argument. Then integer followed by 3 dots and then x. Sir, what is the meaning of this? This method can take how many arguments? Any number of arguments. Even 1 lakh also you can pass. It will accept. Even if you are not passing anything also, it will accept. This special method is called as what? Where? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Let me take 1 or 2 examples for you to understand in a simple manner. Please listen carefully. See, I'm going to take one class called demo. I will create an object for this demo. By using this object, I am calling Enum. Sir, compulsory a class demo I want to take. void m method. How many arguments it is taking? Sir, it is not taking any arguments. So I will print a message saying no arguments. No arguments. Now I'm going to pass one argument. Like let us consider something like sir 10 and passing. So next I want to pass two arguments. Sir, can I define this method like it will take one integer argument, one argument method? Can I take two argument method? Can I take three argument method? Like this we can declare. Sir, as a number of arguments if we are increasing, more methods we need to define. Then only it is going to respond. Perfectly, the code is working fine, even you will get the output. So if there is no where are the method, this is the situation what we have. Clear, friends, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is, can I say it is without where are the method. This is nothing but the scenario. Now I want to use where are the method. How many methods we are going to define? Only one. How to define that method? Just three dots. Sir, here I will mention like it is where are the method. You are not required to define rest of the methods. For this one, are we sending any argument? No. Happily, the number of arguments will become 0. Are we sending any value here? Yes, one argument. No problem. This method will accept. This one accept. This one accept. Sir, not only this, you can pass 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Any number of values you can pass. This method is going to execute. Such type of methods are called as what? Where are the methods? Variable number of arguments. So if we are clear with this, then we can go for the next. Clear, friends?
Yes.
Clear.
Sir, is it an advantage feature or disadvantage? Any disadvantage is there with respect to this? Just I have a doubt. Yes. Any drawbacks are there?
Only one data type.
That is okay. But generally, we will deal with only one data type, right? We won't mix. If mixed type of data are there, generic concept is also not required for us. The only biggest problem is if the number of arguments got increased, the load for variable number of argument method will increase. Correct, sir? Suppose if I am passing 1 lakh arguments, so the performance of this method is going to be slowed down. Anyway, here we are using only one SOP. Suppose if 100 lines of code is there, for one argument, if it is keep on executing, performance is going to be down. Am I right, friends?
Yes, sir.
So this is about where argument method what we have. Right. So what is the next one? Static import. Static import. Sir, already we have import keyword is there for importing a specified package or for a specified classes into your program. Already we know about that. Sir, what is a static import? Why we are using static import? Suppose consider just system.out.println of. Sir, I want to find out square root. Okay, square root of 25. How you can find? In Java, math.sqrt of 25. Next, system.out.println of I want to calculate so power, okay, or so 2 to the power of 4. So how you can do that? Math dot. There is a function named with POW. I will take 2 comma 3. So now I want to print pi value. System dot out dot println of sir pi value. How much? Sir, I am printing math dot pi. Is the program is correct, friends? Please confirm. Will it works? There is no problem. Program is going to work. Clear?
Yes.
Sir, can I remove this math? Will it works? Will it works?
No, sir.
I think no.
No.
Have you observed? Method square root, method power, variable pi are not there. Do you know? In math class, if 100 methods are there, I have a program where 90 of the methods I am using. Sir, every time typing math.sqrt, typing math.power, typing math.pi, because in my program 90% I am dealing with math methods only. Sir, every time math dot, which creates length of the program, not only for math, any class. For that, we have one concept named with static import. What is a static import here? Sir, import java dot lang dot math. What is the meaning of this? We are importing math class. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can I take dot star here? Syntactically, is it valid?
No.
No, no, because
No.
at the ending compulsory, you have to take the class name.
Yeah.
So now, what is the meaning of this line is in Java main package, lang subpackage is there. In that there is a class called math. In that math class, what are all the members that we have? Directly I can access without using class name. That is the meaning of this line. But you have to declare one more variable in front of this. What is that? Static. Sir, the concept name I have taken as a static importer. But in the program, how you have to type? Import static. So now, is this program is going to work? Let me check. Sir, is it giving the correct answer? Can you please cross check?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So this kind of import is called as what? Static import. What is mean by static import? Sir, static import allows the programmers to access static members of a class directly without using class names. That's all. This is nothing but the feature what we have. Sir, everyone got clarity?
Yes.
Any questions? Clear, Amma? Can I go for next? So what is the next feature we have is annotations. Annotations. Sir, what is mean by annotations? Very simple. Mainly in the debugging area. Okay. So we are going to use these annotations. Okay. Sir, it is something like annotations. Annotations are uh, annotations provide metadata about the program. So it is nothing but what data about the data. So it won't directly affect the program execution. It won't affect. Okay, so it is used by so many frameworks, and even for debugging areas. In different aspect we are going to use this. Anyway, we are going to see. There are some annotations which we will use with at the rate symbol, something like we will write override. Sir, if I am using this annotation, what is the meaning? That method is already there in parent, just to we are overriding in my child class. So if any such type of methods are coming, easily we can identify if I keep this annotation. At the same time, at the rate, there is a one more annotation is there named with deprecated. What is the meaning of this? Sir, maybe in the next version, sir, this concept may be gone. So if I have any such type of scenario, you can declare the annotation with at the rate symbol. Clear, friends? Like this, there are so many annotations are there. Clear of? Please confirm. Clear, guys?
Sir, it's just like comments.
Yes, just like comments. But it is the next level of comments. Even in the comments also, forget about single line or multi-line comments. There are some documentation comments we have seen. Have you remembered? So what is the purpose of the documentation comment? Sir, it is used to create those XML files, those help files, such a type of documentation we can create by using these documentation comments. Right? In the same way, we can use these annotations also in real time for debugging purpose, for analysis purpose. So even in Eclipse IDE, if you are doing any such type of things, automatically it is going to insert annotations. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me take one parent class is there. I am defining one method here. So what is the message I am taking here is assume, sir, parent class method like this empty. And I am declaring one more class called C, which is extending the properties from parent class. Sir, void em I am taking system dot out dot println of sir child class. Sir, what is this concept? Anyone tell me? Overloading or overriding?
Overriding, sir.
Override. Sir, C obj is equal to new C. So obj dot m. What is the answer you will get?
Child class method. Child class
Child
method.
class method. Sir, can I say is this method is overloaded method or not? Or this method is overloaded, overridden? First one or second one? Which is overridden method? This one only, right? Child is overriding the parent class method. So here I can mention this method is nothing but which method? Overriding operation I am doing. Now observe carefully. Even if you are not keeping also, nothing will happen. So by seeing this code, anyone can understand what is the purpose of that. Sir, it is overriding parent class data. Clear, everyone?
Clear.
Sir, any questions? Yes, please confirm.
If we write at override, then it becomes compulsory to override.
Yes.
And
Okay.
yes,
Sir, can I go for next one?
yes,
So listen carefully. Sir, the next feature what we have here is scanner class. Scanner class. Sir, what is this scanner class? What is this scanner class? So I think we have buffered reader, buffered reader to read data from the user. Sir, similarly, what is the main purpose of buffered reader? What kind of data it will read? It will read character and string data only. Sir, I want to read integer. I want to read floating point. Is it possible? No, no. So if you want such a type of things, then what we have to use? There is one special class which is introduced in 1.5 version of Java, which is nothing but scanner class. So we can use a scanner class to read, to read. So any type of data from the user, you can use, and it is present in. So it is present. Anyone tell me in which package? So this scanner class is present.
util package.
It will be present in Java.util package. So do you remember almost one complete 1.5 hour session we discussed purely on multiple examples I covered. Now let me take just one oral example. Java.util. Sir, which class? Scanner class. So I want to read a person name and age. So how you can, sir, scan is equal to new scanner I'm taking within bracket system dot in. Even from the string you can read the data, from file you can read the data. Now I'm putting a message like so system dot out dot so println of or print. Let me take print. So enter name, enter name. Sir, can I say it is a string type? Yes. Scan dot. Which method we have to use? Next line. Now I want to read age of a person. So enter age. Enter age. Sir, integer age is equal to scan dot. Which method we have to use? Next line. Now I want to print this information. Like the name of the person is nothing but name we have. Then system dot out dot out. The age of the person is nothing but plus age. Let's run this code, friends. Enter name. Assume. So I'm going to give Suresh. Enter age. Sir, assume I'm giving 5. Sir, different types of data, string type and also number type accepted, right? So this is nothing but a scanner class what we have, and this scanner class is introduced in which version of Java? 1.5. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Clear up. So let's go for the next feature what we have. String builder. String builder. So what is this string builder? I think we know about the string. Okay, we know about the string buffer. Sir, if anyone is asking, tell me what is the main difference between string and string buffer? What is the main difference?
Multi-threading.
String buffer.
Mutable and
So string is
immutable.
immutable. Immutable. Immutable. Sir, whereas a string buffer is
Mutable.
Sir, in string, how many threads can access at a time? Only one thread. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In string buffer, how many threads we can access only at a time?
Multiple.
No.
Multiple.
It is also only one. Only one thread is allowed to access. That means what? Have you remembered in multi-threading we used one word? Synchronized. Sir, synchronized means what? How many threads at a time can access that resource?
Only one thread.
Suppose consider I am developing some web application where some multiple requests are coming. I want to process that request. Internally, more number of string objects are there. Of course, mutable objects. But I can able to change that object, but only one person is allowed, meaningless. For that only to improve the performance. So they introduced string builder concept. Sir, it is string builder is same as string buffer. How string buffer is going to work? In the same way, string builder is going to work. So only difference is, sir, string builder. Tell me, string builder is
Multi-thread.
hmm, hmm,
Allow multiple.
non-synchronized. Non-synchronized. That is, multiple threads are allowed to access the data. Clear?
Yes.
Except that remaining things are same thing mostly. But I don't want to go in detail. Just let me take one simple example to demonstrate this. So what I will take here is, so string builder SB is equal to, so new string builder of Java is there. Now I want to append programming parts. What are all the methods present in string buffer? Same methods are there in string builder also. No change at all. Sir, which is recommended to use string buffer or string builder? String builder is recommended. Clear, friends? Any questions up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm.
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Can I go for next?
Yes, sir.
So the next one, so what we have here is, what is the next feature we have? Formatter class. Formatter class. Let us see what is mean by this formatter class. So I think the term is very new for you, but already it is there in 1.5 version. Sir, formatter class is used to format the output. It is used to format the output. So formatter class is used to format the output. It is used to format the output. Okay. So it is same like almost printf. So it is same like printf. So how we are working with the printf function, same like that. And it is present in which package? Java.util. Have you observed majority of these 1.5 enhancements are there in util package? So I will go with one simple example. Listen carefully. See here, I'm taking formatter. Formatter f is equal to new formatter and take new formatter. Then listen carefully. F dot sir format of what you need to format. Name is nothing but percentages. Sir, percentages is nothing but which type of data? String. Age is nothing but percentage. Which type of data? Integer. And let us consider so percentage. Percentage is 0.2f. So 0.2f means floating point, comma. Sir, the name of the person is nothing but, so I'm taking as so assume the name I'm printing as Kalyan. So age I'm taking as something like 40 and the percentage 89.567. Like this I'm formatting. Now system.out.println. Just you can use that F. So can I use these kind of things in my JDBC also? While inserting the queries, you can prepare like this. Now let us see how it is going to work. Sir, formatter is not available. Sir, why? Because in which package it is there? Util package. Now observe carefully. Is it compiling? Is it working? Have you observed after this only two decimals it is printing? Why? Because we used a percentage point. This is nothing but which class? Formatter class. Do you have any doubt, friends, up to this?
No.
Clear, everyone? Sir, the next one, printf method. Printf method. So what is this printf method? This one also similar to the formatter. Similar to the formatter. And it is introduced in which version? 1.5 version. Sir, it is same like printf in C language. Okay, in C language. Directly I will go with example because you know all these things. Even I covered this in our core Java classes. So let's take string name is equal to something like Kumar. Okay, then integer something like marks is equal to some 78. Okay, so double height is equal to, otherwise let me take a double percentage is equal to something like 89.345 like this. Sir, I want to print this. How I can print? System.out.println of, not println, printf of, sir, name colon percentage, yes. After that I am giving slash n manually to convert it to the next one. System.out.printf, sir, marks is nothing but percentage d. Here I'm putting this. What about next one? System.out.printf Sir, printf. What is the next one? Sir, percentage. What is the percentage? Let me take percentage point 3f. Sir, here I am trying to print percentage. Can we observe? This is nothing but which method? It is also introduced in which version? 1.5. Same like formatter. Depending on the scenario, you have to use the other. Clear?
Yes.
Please confirm, friends. Clear up to this. So the next feature what we have here is queue interface. Queue interface. What is this queue interface? Let us listen carefully. Sir, queue is introduced. Queue is introduced in 1.5 version. Sir, queue follows which technique? Anyone tell me? Queue follows which technique?
First in, first.
FIF. F and F order. So what is the meaning of this? First in, first out. The object which is inserted first, so that object will get chance first. This is called as what? FIFO principle. Correct?
Yes.
So there is one special method is there called add. What add method is going to do? Sir, it is used to add or it is used to insert an object. Sir, what about offer method? Offer method also will insert an object. What is the difference between these two? Anyone tell me? I covered somewhere in our core Java. What is the difference between these two? Forgot. Huh? If queue is already full, have you observed here? What is the capacity of the queue? 3 elements. If I am using offer to insert 3 elements, it will accept. If you are trying to add one more item, then what happens? Simply, it is returning false. In which case, offer method. If I am using add method, what will happen? We are going to get runtime error. Okay. So, what is the difference here? If you use add method, what will happen? Tell me.
Exception.
If you use add method, what will happen? It will raise the exception. Clear, friends? Clear. Now, there is one more method to remove the remove. So, what is the purpose of remove? It is used to remove which element? First element. First element. Sir, if the first element is not there, then you will get exception. When if it is empty. So, alternative for this, there is one more method called for. Just simply, it will remove first element. If the first element is not there, it won't do any activity. And the element method is there, which is used to retrieve. So first element, and you will get exception if it is empty. So alternative for this peak method, technical terms, it is used to retrieve first element. So I hope the methods are very clear. Any questions? So let's take one simple example to demonstrate all these methods. So I'm taking Q. What kind of objects I want to store? Integer is equal to new linked list. Now, Q dot add of. I want to add 10. I want to add 20. I want to add 30. Let's print system dot out dot println. of. Sir, what are the elements present in the queue? I will print. Next, system.out.println of. Okay, sir, removed. Which item got removed? How you can remove? By using remove. Next, system.out.println of. Sir, head element, or I can say the first element. Head or first element. Which is the first element? Q dot. Which method you have to use? Pick. So system.out.println of. Sir, updated queue, because we performed some operations, right? Sir, updated queue and print. Now observe carefully. Sir, initially what are all the elements we have? 10, 20, 30. Which item got removed? 10. Then after removing 10, which is the first item? 20. Updated queue is 20 and 30. Any doubt, friends? So clear, everyone?
Yes.
Any questions? Yes, please confirm.
No, sir.
So the last feature, what we have is, what is the last feature?
Covariant.
Covariant return types. So what is this covariant return types? So before moving to this covariant return types, I hope you know what is mean by overriding. Sir, what is mean by overriding? If you take any parent class method, okay, if you take any parent class method, some method I am taking, let us take void m, some method is there. Sir, system.out.println of parent class method. Now I am going to take class C, which extends the properties of P, and I am taking here void m. The message is system.out.println of sir child class method. Can you please confirm? Is it overriding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I say in method overriding? In method overriding. Sir, method names and arguments. Method names, okay, arguments and return types. And return type must be same. Correct? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So let me compile this code. As of now, I am not running, just compile. Working fine. Sir, can I take int here? Is it overriding? No, because have you observed? Method signature got to change. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear. So now
Yes.
from 1 point up to 1.4, this is the problem what we have. Okay. So in method overriding, method names must be same. Arguments and return types also must be same. Up to which version? 1.4. Sir, in 1.5 version. Okay. Method names and arguments must be same. Return type, sir, can be different. Return type can be different. But that return types compulsory what kind of data you have to take, not primitives. You have to use only objects. Clear?
Yes.
Clear, friends? Sorry, the concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
So can I go with one simple example for you to understand?
Yes.
Now observe carefully. Same example. So I will take the return type of this method as I am taking object. What type of value it is returning? Object. So maybe I will take return. And here, if I am taking only object, then it is okay. Then it is okay. It is overriding. Suppose instead of object, if I am taking string, sir, before 1.5 version, this statement is invalid. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But from 1.5 onwards, return types also can change. But make sure that there must be some relationship between these two. Clear? Sir, can I say string is the child of object?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If there is no proper relation, then you come. Sir, remember there are 2 points here you need to understand. Return type you can change, but you have option only for objects, not for primitives. In that objects also, parent reference, child reference, you have to check. Is it compatible with each other? Sir, now is the code is valid? Yes. I think I don't have the version Java 4. If I have Java 4, then I will show you this in that message. Sir, clear up to this?
Clear.
These are nothing but 1.5 features. How many features are there, friends? The main 13 features. These are nothing but clear.
Clear.